Have you ever received a message asking you for your verification code? Maybe someone sent a message to you telling you that they sent a code to you by mistake, that you should send them back. That's a trick attackers use all the time. Hello guys, my name is One Security, and on this channel we talk about cybersecurity and tips for you to stay safe online. In this particular video, we're talking about OTP, which is also known as one-time password, and why you should never share them with anyone. So, like I said, OTP stands for one-time password, and it is a temporal code sent to your email or your phone whenever you want to log in or create an account. And this particular feature helps your account stay more secure from attack, because whenever you wanted to log into your account, you have to provide this temporal code being sent to you. So if an attacker gets your password, they will try to log into your account, but they will not be able to log in because they will send this OTP to the account owner's email or phone number, and this attacker will not be able to log in because they don't have this particular code being sent. So we will try to trick you pretending that they sent the code to you by mistake, or they will pretend to be a customer care service or a friend or a family member trying to get this code from you. So a simple example is this: if someone gets your password to your Facebook account and they try to log into your Facebook account, they will send this OTP to the phone number or the email of the owner's account. So, and this attacker might try to message the owner of the Facebook telling the person that they sent a code to them by mistake, or they are from customer care from Facebook and they are actually sending a code to them, so they should send the code back to them, something like that. So when you get this kind of message, you should never respond to them, and you should always know that for an OTP to get to you, it simply means the person has your password, so you should go ahead and change your password immediately. So OTP remains a one-time password and a personal information to the account owner alone. No legitimate company will ask for this. No any company will ask for this, saying their customer support or anything. And if someone have your OTP, or you send the OTP to somebody, they can get access to your account. The OTP code are part of your account security. They help your account stay secure all the time. So please you shouldn't share this code to anybody, regardless of who the person is or who the person pretend to be. So if you find this video helpful, you should kindly like and subscribe to the channel so we can create more and more video like this.